Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys checked out my previous videos and I hope it was enjoyed. Today we're going to be actually making a thong bikini bottom. I've never actually made one on camera. I think I've made it twice before. So let's begin. You make a basic slip knot and you're literally chaining two, and then you hold it off, and then you make 3 extra chains, and then you're gonna turn your work. You kind of want to have just 3 double crochets on a row for the next, I believe it was 10 rows. I'm not so sure, but we'll get there and we'll count. So here you just see me starting the 3 double crochet effect, and you're just going to go up the line. It's not much to it. You're just going to do 3 double crochets, turn the work, 3 double crochets, turn the work. Once again, this varies by size, so if you know your size or the size of the person you're doing it for and how big their butt is, you will know how long to do this for. Yeah, it all depends on the person and how big their butt is. Okay, at this point we literally finished with the rows. I decided to stop here. I think it was about 10 or 8, and at this moment you're about to start to increase a little bit, so you're gonna not skip anything, just go into the first stitch, and you're going to keep going until you have about 8 double crochets on the row. Okay, at this point we're going to stop increasing, and you're going to not go into the first stitch but the second one. This right here just stops the increase. So not the first, second stitch, and you're just going to go down the line and you're going to just put one double crochet at the end. Okay, you're not increasing anything. You're pausing that after that last row, and then you're going to keep doing this for the next 4 rows. So you're not going to the first one but the second one. It stops the increase. Okay, at this point I'm just counting the rows that I did without any increasing, and I did 4. You can do more or less, it's up to you, but this is the crotch area, so I thought 4 would have been enough for my crotch. And now you start to increase again, and this time you're going to increase at the beginning and the end for about 2 to 3 rows. You're going to increase by 1 at the beginning and the end, and then after that we're just going to increase by the beginning, and that's it. Okay, we're not done yet. We have a few more rows to do, but I'm just showing you the high cut effect, and that is just because I only increase by the beginning, as you see me doing here, and I go down the line, and that's it. I do not increase at the end as well. I only do that in the beginning for the first couple of rows to just give it that bikini effect, and increasing by 1 each row will give you that high cut effect. That's how I like my bikini bottoms. Now everyone is different, so if you like your bikini bottoms not high cut and wider, then you can increase in the beginning and the end. It's all up to you, but this is my preference. This is the moment where I fold it by the crotch, and that tells me how many rows I have left to do before I am finished with the project. So always use that as a guide, you guys. It will really help you to know how many rows you should do, how many rows you have left, because it has to balance each other out. So I think I did about 2 more rows, and then I sealed it off as you see me doing here. You must always secure your loose ends by tucking them into the project, or as you see me doing here, tying a knot at the end that secures it from potentially unraveling. Now I'm not too sure if it would, because I've never had my work unravel before, but it's just a precaution. So here I did both just to show you guys. I knotted it and I pulled it into the work. So yeah, you have options, you guys. So here I am about to attach to make, I call it a butterfly, but honestly it's just a place to put the strings to tie to the sides. You don't need to do this step, it's not necessary. You could actually just do it at the end where you see me just attaching it to. You can input the strings there, but I like how the butterfly looks. It looks kind of cute. Now Sorry, my daughter is trying to push her way into my video with her toys, but yes, basically you don't have to do this step. It's completely optional, but I just wanted to show every bit of what I do and how I do it. And this is a butterfly. That's just what I call it. There's no specific name. I just call it a butterfly. So here you're about to see me single crochet back down to the knot. This step is also optional. You could just literally seal off your work hair and cut it off, but I don't know why I just did not want to do that. So no, I'm sorry, I did not do single crochets. I slip stitch on the line. Yeah, I thought I did this in course, but I did slip stitch. So just slip stitch on the line if you choose to, and you can do that around your entire work. It's up to you, but I did not want the thong part to be too thick, so I just did not do that. I usually do when it comes to my work. I always seal the perimeter with single crochet to make it neat, but when it comes to this, I did not want to, because the thong string part would be a little thicker than it already is, and I did not want that. So you guys see what I'm talking about, the butterfly effect. It looks cute. So now you're just going to make 2 chains, how long you desire. It's up to you. As always, I never give numbers in this place. I will never give a number unless it's completely necessary. So you just make a long chain, make 2 of them, and here you see me attaching them. There's no right way to attach them. Just send them in through each hole you see on each side of the bikini. And what I always do is always put a slip knot to seal off my strings. I do that with every project once there's strings, because I don't want the strings to get lost or come out, and I don't like to really tie them in a bow, so I always just slip knot the strings. And it's more professional as well if you're doing it for someone, so they just have to pull on it and it unravels. It's just a professional way, no rhyme, no reason. But this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was easy to follow. And please show me your work. Bye, guys.